ताणें म्हळें की आमी त्या वेळार सरकारार आशिल्ले, आमी आशिल्ले त्या वेळार सरकाराक, आनी त्या वेळार बाब मनोहर पर्रीकाराचे ताजे हे जावच्या पयलीं इनॉग्रेट केलो. लँडींग उरलो पार्ट टुवर्ड्स पेंजीम सायड. टील दॅट दिस चीफ मिनिस्टर इज फेल्ड टू कंप्लीट. Show me a single project where this chief minister initiated, put a foundation stone and completed the project.
So many of them. If you don't want to see who can help you,
name
who can
the
help
projects.
you?
Name the projects.
You see how many projects I can tell you.
Secondly,
आता renovation of Kala Academy घे, तुझे जुवारी पुलाचे completion घे, तुझे roads घे इथले.
Minister has spoken about the water logging issue. And IIT not about completion.
ओके ना दुर्गादास, एक मिनिट राजन बाब, हो जो आरोप विरोधक परत परत करतात आणि एक दुर्गादास ते सामकी सांगता की पयलींचे प्रोजेक्ट सगळे आता कंप्लीट जातात, ह्या सरकारान क्रेडीट घेवची न्ही, हो आर्ग्युमेंट तुमकां पडटा?
न्ही, सादी सिंपल गजाल आसा. एअरपोर्टा सारको प्रोजेक्ट ताका वर्सां वतलीच. समजा जर आतां अशें धरुया, आमी एक प्रिज्यूम करुया की दुसरे कोणाचें तरी गव्हर्मेंट आशिल्लें, जाल्यार कदाचित तें गव्हर्मेंट तो कंप्लीट करपाचें. हें गव्हर्मेंट आसा, ह्या गव्हर्मेंटाची जबाबदारी तो कंप्लीट करपाची. केंद्रांत सरकार कोणाचें आसा किंवा स्टेटींत सरकार कोणाचें आसा, आतां कितें तो कितलें काम बरें करता किंवा काम बरें करना हो विशय आसूं शकता. पूण म्हाका दिसता की प्रोजेक्टांच्या बाबतींत जे कंप्लिशनाचो जो एक हें आसा न्ही, तो म्हाका दिसता समाधानकारक आसा. आतां जशें हें सांगलें, दोतोरान सांगलें, आतां तुमी इमेजीन करा, काही जे प्रोजेक्ट वर्सांची वर्सां वता ते फुडें वचत ना. एअरपोर्टाचो प्रोजेक्ट आतां जे इनॉग्रेशन केन्ना तरी फुडल्या म्हयन्याच्या 11 तारखेक कितें तरी करपाक सोदता. आतां जशें हांणी सांगलां तें कंप्लीट जातकच तो हें जातलो, पण ताका एक 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 पिरियड लागता, एक टायम लागता, आनी त्या टायमा भितर तो कंप्लीट जावपाची गरज आसता. आतां नवे प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट करून करच्या परस जे जुने आसा, जे कंप्लिशन जावपाक जाय, जे कंप्लीट जावपाक जाय, ताजेर फोकस म्हाका दिसता चड जावपाक जाय. आणि
मुद्दो आसा, हाऊ डू यू लुक एट इट की ह्या सरकारान तुगेलो हो प्रोजेक्ट इनिशिएट केला सो तांणी क्रेडीट घेवचें न्ही? Do you agree with this point of view?
The issue is not who should take credit. The issue is projects should not be inaugurated before they are fully complete. If Atal Setu today has problems, it is because it was inaugurated before it was completed. That is where the trouble lies. That's what we are saying. Why did you inaugurate it? How is that it is still incomplete? How is that it is creating problems? This is obviously a fault at some level, and it is at the government level in not having supervised the thing and not having completed it in time. That much no one can dispute. Now, I am going into that IIT. See, today we are being told IITs are coming. Fair enough, maybe IIT is required. But what is important for GOA'S is not setting up an IIT here. You see, there are IITs, and IITs with some international standard are IIT Kharagpur, IIT Chennai, IIT Delhi, and IIT Bombay. The rest of the IITs are low down. If you look at the world universities, they are low down. It doesn't make any sense. So I would have suggested to the government to put up training institutes here for our own children who would then get into the top IITs. Because this setting up an IIT of Goa is going to create another substandard institute. We already have NIT, we have IIT, so much of land is being acquired, so many people are agitated over it. So instead of doing that, what is the benefit for Goa? Why don't you take our students, train them so that they get into the best of institutes, let them get into the top institutes. That I think for a small state like Goa, that would be better.
Get the priorities right. If you want to spend money, get the priorities right.
Yes.